Hello everyone, my name is Farai Dondo and welcome to my presentation on artificial intelligence. Is artificial intelligence to be feared? Is it what Hollywood has taught us, that they're on a mission to enslave humanity? Artificial intelligence is misunderstood and is defined as a concept of creating computer programs or machines that are capable of behavior that would be regarded as intelligent if exhibited by humans. Intelligence, however, is subjective and is measured in many ways. Intelligence definitions are all relative, that is, measures of human intelligence, for example, are based on one's ability to exceed another, enumerated in different ways, such as measurements of IQ. Computer programs exhibit intelligence when they can do more than a set of commands that are pre programmed. The technology becomes intuitive, solves complex problems, and assesses conditions and adapts to changing conditions in order to come up with solutions. Science fiction has redefined this autonomous aspect. It has defined it as systems and machines that can act on their own reasoning. However, AI is more about intelligence augmentation. That is, AI is embodied in hardware that's capable of motion. In this sense, it can be used in robotics or in programs such as GPS systems or Google's self-driving cars to perform intricate tasks that the creators want them to perform. GPS systems, for example, can do a better job of planning driving routes better than humans can. AI is also seen in expert systems that can answer questions and reason about complex logic, such as IBM's Watson. In all of these uses of AI, it is not designed to make decisions, but to find better or more efficient ways of performing tasks or solving problems. There are many applications of robotics in today's world that have positively impacted many industries. In the auto, aero, architecture, and industrial designs sectors, robotics has brought about increased levels of customization and reduction in physical prototyping costs. The result has been a faster time to market for products and services. RoboFold is an example of a manufacturing system that uses robotics. It allows for sheet metal forming without requiring tools and allows customers to reduce fixed costs and time to market. It necessitated the development of an automated system that eliminates the need for human input through manufacturing lines. Automation and robotics have brought about gains in efficiency and productivity. Aqualisa, one of the UK's most successful developers and manufacturers of power showers, has experienced a significant demand for its products in the last few years. With an annual turnover of more than 40 million, the challenge brought about by Aqualisa's success is that its existing manufacturing facilities are fully committed and they had no room for growth. Automation allowed the company to re-equip its factory and gain a 20% better efficiency and better utilization of its available floor space, and increased flexibility to changes in manufacturing requirements and scope expansion for future growth. Despite the many advantages that are associated with AI and automation in all these industries, there is a fear that many industries are focused on production and efficiency using automation without considering the effect it has on employment. Australia, for example, has predicted that up to 5 million jobs are likely to be automated by the year 2030. McPherson's CEO, Ganesh Iyer, in 2017 stated that in the next 5 years, the company was willing to deal with job losses through automation instead of sacrificing their revenue. In India, IT firms are the main source of employment for the new engineering graduates. However, they've begun to reduce the number of employees they hire due to automation. This will, however, mostly affect low-skilled jobs, which fall by about 30% as predicted, and high-skilled jobs we'll actually see, on the other hand, a 56% jump. In the banking sector, AI reduces the need for human work that requires analysis, consistent application of decisions, and judgment calls. The focus is on creating competitive advantage for companies. In 2016, 1 million people in the UK, or 3.1% of the workforce, were employed in the financial services sector. The prediction is that 50% of the jobs in this sector will be lost to AI. There's a significant ethical problem based on this focus by most and organizations, as well as organizations, on increasing efficiency without considering the effect of this focus has on employment. Getting products to the market and safeguarding revenue seems to be the economic trend in most countries, and automation is making it possible, but at a cost of a large number of jobs lost. One statistic from India brings to light another trend that is accompanying this growth in automation. A decrease in low-skilled jobs is accompanied by an increase in high-skilled jobs. Consideration must therefore be given not only to the jobs lost, but to the jobs created by automation. According to the World Bank, automation can impact 69% of jobs in India, 77% in China, and 47% in the US in the next 25 years. However, there's also a focus on improving existing jobs through technology without eliminating these jobs. Automation doesn't just mean a loss of jobs, but also spurs innovation. As companies rethink the nature of jobs, productivity, and the dignity of labor. Thank you for taking the time to listen. I hope I have been able to bring a whole new perspective on AI and automation.